nice looking cane AM. It's a 90cc. This guy's has a reverse, neutral, and forward. This is the trigger for it. I believe this is an age 10 and up. Give you guys a close look underneath. Pretty high up from the ground around, let's say this is, let's say around 12 inches from the ground. You have clearance. Got a gas tank here. This guy is 2009, as you can see. Got your lights here for neutral, reverse, on and off switch, low key that goes here. Got a kill switch, start, choke, so it's a 4-stroke. Also, you got a kickstart also if your battery drains, and you have an on and off switch for the gas tank here. Let's go look into more frame structure build, and I already see rust on it. It's brand new, 2019. The drum brakes in the back has a guard, chain guard, which is plastic, but it does have a metal guard underneath, and a guard here, and a guard on the other side for the drum brake. Got a single shock, got a fake light, got a real light, LED light here. Looks pretty good. These wheels they're on the 18, size 18 times 9.5, 8. So that's how it looks. It's pretty sick how the plastics go up. Good press, I'd say.